When it comes to online marketing, are you really taking advantage of everything you could? You may think that having a presence online, like through your website, Facebook, or LinkedIn pages is enough. However, there's one super easy and free outlet you can take advantage of right now. YouTube. You don't need a video production team or expensive equipment to get started. Just a smartphone, a YouTube channel, and a few creative ideas. Let's discuss how independent shops can use YouTube to attract new customers, build trust, and give their brand a voice beyond traditional social media channels. YouTube helps you tell your story in a way other social media sites can't. As long as you keep it real, the information is useful, and you post consistently, you're gaining a leg up over the competition down the street. You'll first have to set up a YouTube channel for your shop. Add your location, business hours, services, and a link to your website in your profile. If you have one, connect your YouTube account to your Google business profile so your info shows up in the search results easily. From there, explore YouTube's Creator Studio. It walks you through uploading videos, tracking performance, and customizing your channel layout. The great thing about it too is you don't need to be an experienced editor. The key is that your content is relevant, useful, and authentic. Shops like yours have had success with short videos that educate, entertain, or simply show how the real people behind the service do their jobs. If you don't know where to start, just think simple. Maybe you can film a quick how-to on checking tire pressure, or show a before and after video of a tire repair or custom wheel job. The biggest hurdle at first will be getting people to your YouTube page. Link it with your website's homepage and use service pages to embed videos, especially ones that explain the service being offered. If you don't plan to post long-form videos, use YouTube Shorts. This feature allows you to post short, vertical videos, generally 60 seconds or less, and can provide your shop major exposure. Shorts are great for quick tips, promotional announcements, or behind-the-scenes clips. While shooting a video, make sure it includes a call to action. That could be something like, call for a quote, or visit our website to schedule a service appointment. It doesn't have to be a lot, but encouraging the customer to interact with your shop after watching the video is always a win. Encouraging comments is a separate call to action that should also be in each video. It shows viewers that you're responsive and gives you a chance to handle concerns head on, even before your customer comes into the shop. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.